Hi guys, today I have done a project on Bitcoin notification app or let's say a software wherein user would be notified in their email and the telegram depending upon the parameters he has given. So I have taken parameter as the main parameter as which would be differentiating as the price alert or the user defined price, wherein if user inputs a price and the price is less than the user input, or if the current price of Bitcoin is less than user input, then a mail would be sent to the user mail ID, and if the current price is more than the user input, then a telegram update would be sent on the group. So let's start with the code. Here I have used multiple modules just to make sure that email has been sent with our live graph. So this is an additional feature where I have put in my software. Whenever the user have whenever a user receives an email, it gives a glimpse of the past 1 year, how Bitcoin rose and how it's falling down. So it gives a clear idea to the user to buy it fluently because the graph shows a more clear picture, and that too of 1 year. However, it can be customized by the user. We have taken that as a future input, so I'll be implementing that. As of now, I haven't done backend, so I haven't configured my code like that. But however, this is my futuristic approach that I can take the input of the user, like the input of dates and range between graphs to modify it. Also, I wanted to give a prediction cycle here so that user can have a better knowledge about that, so he can buy directly without any doubt. And also I wanted to integrate the CoinDesk API or directly with my website, where he can directly click on buy from his email or from group itself. So without wasting time, we move ahead. Here I have used SMTP lib just to create a server between the software and the email the Gmail server or any server which user can choose. I have used a multiple server creation, so server link. So here I have used gmail.com, Outlook, Yahoo, ad.net. You can define your own as well. I would be adding the parameter in the futuristic approach, and it's easy. We can add it here itself. It's just we just have to add a elif statement, and as a seventh option, like if I want to add AttainU.com, we can add here. Cool. So basically there are these many inputs where in sender name, the service type that sender wants to, like its service type basically is Gmail or Outlook that I told you before. Then email password is encrypted because it would be gone by a get pass module which is dynamically imported, and it is safe to give a password even if somebody is there sitting behind. Recipient email, which here we can pass a CSV file as well. I would be adding that as well. And the alert amount main, this I was talking about this alert amount where it differentiate between email and the telegram. So here's my code configured. Without wasting time, let's go and let's run it. I have a exe file also for the same. It's, you can see here, and this is a graph which would be, it looks like, however will be coming into that, it will be sent to our email. Let's run the code. So since there are a lot of modules imported here, it takes a bit time to run code.